LinkedIn outbound dead or not? Long story short, yes. It's dead. It's dead if you're lazy. It's dead if you're still sending 500 copy-paste messages and call it sales strategy. It's dead if your opener is, "Hey Teodora, I was impressed by your profile." Impressed by what, Mark? My profile picture, my will to leave after this message. Please, jail. Hey guys, I'm Teodora, sales and LinkedIn consultant, also founder of this baby, hottake.ly, which most of you desperately need. Let's get back to business. Everybody on LinkedIn is crying. Outbound is dead. Cold DM doesn't work anymore. LinkedIn is saturated. People don't reply. Try this hack, try that hack. I cannot stand these conversations anymore. Outbound is not dead. Bad outbound is dead. A lazy outbound is dead. Your outbound is dead, not mine. The biggest problem is that people still acting like they're in 2015. They're just sending millions of messages to random humans, hoping someone will respond because they're bored or confused. That doesn't work anymore. People are smarter. Surprising, I know. Inboxes are overcrowded. Everybody gets pitched by random SaaS founders, SDRs, AI bots, lead gen that I don't know anymore. It's exhausting. Most messages sound exactly the same. Hope you're doing well. Can you schedule a quick 15-minute call? We help companies scale. No, we cannot. Because I don't even know who you are. The biggest mistake people are making is that they think outbound is starting with a message. No, outbound starts way before the message. It starts with signals, buyer signal, meaning who viewed your profile, who liked your posts, who keeps engaging with your content, who changed jobs, who raised funding, who started posting constantly, who is hiring, who publicly talks about the problem you solve. That's where good outbound starts. Take notes. Now I'm gonna say something most people don't wanna hear. Content is part of outbound now. Your LinkedIn profile, your comments, all are part of outbound now. Everything is connected. If your content says nothing, you lose trust. If your comments say great post, interesting perspective, please stop. For example, let's say there is someone you really want to work with. Do not immediately jump in their inbox like, "Do you have 50 minutes of your time?" No one wants 50 minutes with a stranger, so warm it up. Comment on their posts, like their posts, endorse their skill, add smart opinions, be visible, not annoying. And then few weeks later, you're not random, you're familiar. You can literally say something like, "Hey, I've been seeing your posts about outbound lately. And honestly, I think more people are overcomplicating it. Curious, what's working best for you right now?" That already sounds human. That's better than 99% of outreach. Best outbound today feels like conversation, not an attack or campaign or ChatGPT. And another thing, people will check your profile before replying. Not just sending messages anymore, you're sending your profile, your positioning, your credibility, your energy, your vibe, your reputation. All of it together. So when people tell me outbound is dead, I honestly think, no. Your strategy is dead. Your targeting is dead. Your copy-paste messaging is dead. Your lazy personalization is dead. But outbound itself, it will never die. Because business will always need conversations. And conversations create revenue. The difference is now you need to think before sending a message. Tragically, I know. Write me in the comments what you think about this topic. Let's discuss. So see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching this. Bye. Kisses.